How to use OneDrive on or Teams, and how to hopefully you have several teams in your Microsoft Teams and you have channels, and it turns out each channel can be public or private. In this case, this is a private channel, and they have either, you see just posts here, but there are also files, and maybe you have files in there or not. But to add a shortcut to your OneDrive on your computer, you can click more and say add shortcut to OneDrive. And before I click that, I'm going to show you that my OneDrive, which is this window behind here, it turns out it puts the, in my case, it's the neural group. It puts the name of the group here. And then the several links that I already have are here, but I do not have the EDA Summer, for example. So I'm going to add that, the EDA Summer 2025, and I go to Files. And then under More, I can add, well, where's my More? Is this More here? I can add shortcut to OneDrive. And here it says added one shortcut, and this is the name of the shortcut. So if you come here and it's under Neural Group EDA Summer, this is now a folder that's linked to my Microsoft Teams. So I hope this helps.